solve for x in the equation 2 square root of x over square root of x minus 1 plus 9 square root of x minus 9 over 2 square root of x is equal to 6. Okay, so at first glance it looks complex though, right? And clearly, yeah, it is indeed complex. However, let's try to solve this problem by trying to do first, I think we can do LCD. Okay, if we take the LCD here, which is what? Or we can multiply both sides by the LCD. And what is the LCD for this? Well, let's just multiply this by square root of x minus 1 times 2 square root of x. And let's try that. So at least we no longer work with fractions. Okay, so this multiplied by this 2 will cancel out. What will be left will be 2 square root of x times 2 square root of x. Oh, that looks good, right? And how about this? Oh, now I think I see it. This one, first let's try to factor, okay? I'll factor out first the 9, so it will look square root of x minus 1, okay? And this will be multiplied by this one, square root of x minus 1, right? Okay, because the 2 square root of x will cancel out, equal to 6 times square root of x minus 1 times 2 square root of x. Let us see what will happen. Now this will become 4x. And how about this? Well, this will become 9 times, okay, product of square root of a binomial. The square root of x squared will just be x minus 2 square root of x plus 1. Okay? And the right side, this will just be distributed. So this will be 12 times square root of x times square root of x will just be 12x. And then 6 times negative 2, or actually 12 square root of x times negative 1 will just be negative 12 square root of x. Again, it is good to treat this one as one whole, meaning treat that first as 12 square root of x, and you just simply multiply that to this and to this one. Okay, now what do we have here? Let me just continue simplifying. 4x is plus 9x minus 18 square root of x plus 9. I transfer this to the left side. Minus 12x plus 12 square root of x equals 0. Hoping that something will cancel out. Hopefully. Now, where are we? 4x, 9x, and the negative 12x. 4 plus 9 is 13 minus 12x. It's x. And how about this? Negative 18. Oh, negative 18 square root of x plus 12 will be a negative 6 square root of x, right? Plus 9 equal to 0. So what do you think is the next step? This looks like quadratic to me, right? We need to solve this using a quadratic form. What shall we do? We let y is equal to what? Let y equal to square root of x, and this will then become simply, this will now turn this into an x squared. No, not x squared, but y squared. Okay, so that thing will become a y squared minus 6y plus 9 equals 0. And I think from there, no, I don't have much space, but let me see if I can squeeze something here. Y minus 3 squared, right? A perfect square trinomial equal to 0. So y is equal to 3. Okay? So from here we can say, oh, y is just 3. And again, we need to go back here because y is just square root of x. So 3 is equal to square root of x. To find x, then most likely you square both sides. 9 is equal to x. It's quite a long walk though, but here we're able to reach that x is equal to 9. And let us see if that works, okay? Let us see if that works here when we try to plug in. 2 times square root of 3, that's square root of 9, so that's a 3. So 6, the top will be 6, the bottom will be square root of 9 is 3 minus 1, it's 2, plus square root of x here, that's a 9, or 3. 9 times 3, 27, minus 9, that's 18, over 2 times 3, that's a 6. What is that? 3 plus 3 equals 6. Yeah, indeed, that's equal to 6. Thank you.